guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. So what are we doing today? We are doing the Boxyluxe unboxing and try on. I am not trying on as many items as I usually do from this box. So if you're interested in seeing this video, then keep on watching. Alright guys, we're back. So, to begin, I want to start off by saying that this is the Boxyluxe. The Boxyluxe you get quarterly, so you get it every 3 months. And the average value of this is over $250 of the box. So you pay $49.99 for this box every 3 months. And you're guaranteed a value over $250. Alright? Now, Boxycharm base box, if you have that box, that's how you can upgrade to this one. You do have to have the Boxycharm base box in order to sign up for the Boxyluxe. So you'll pay $25 a month for each of the months that isn't the Boxyluxe, and then on the Boxyluxe months you'll pay the $49.99 plus tax. So that's that. And then the Boxycharm Premium is $35 a month, and that's completely separate from Boxycharm and Boxyluxe. But I do know that if you do want to sign up for the Boxycharm Premium, you do have to have the base box while you're on the wait list for the Boxycharm Premium. Once you sign up for the Boxycharm Premium, if you choose to cancel your base box, then you can do that and just have the premium box. So yeah, those are the boxes. Feel free to skip through that if you already know the deets. You can just skip through, just like fast forward through that part. I tend to do that when I'm watching other unboxings because I'm like, I already know this. But anywho, let's get into it. Oh shit, wait, I forgot my little notepad. I'll be right back. My husband's watching TV. Hopefully you can't hear that. Okay, I'm back. So, this is how the box looks. It's pretty big. And then you open it. My hair's everywhere. And it looks like this. So let's get into it. I'm going to take out this. If you've been watching my unboxings for a while, you know that I unbox it without you guys, so I'm not really surprised because I like to try on the items for you guys if I can try on any of the items. So the try on portion of this will be at the end. If you don't care for the unboxing, then you can skip to that, and I will put a timestamp in the description. Okay. So the first item in here is this Boxycharm palette, and that's what I used on my eyes today. And I did not swatch it, and I'm not going to. Well, you know what? I will swatch the colors I didn't use. So I didn't use this like white shade. I didn't use this blue shade, or this purpley blue, or this gold, dark brown. This gold, I didn't use that one. I didn't use this one. I didn't use Sneak Peek. And I didn't use Swipe Up. So it looks like Swipe Up is the only glitter in this. The others are different. So it's like super chunky. Okay, so those are all the shades. Let me remove this. So this palette right here that Boxycharm made states that it is, they price it $39, and for $39, where do they get that price from? I don't know. They just come up with it, so I don't know how I feel about that. But anywho, that's besides the point. Let's go on to the next thing. The next thing are these metal straws. They come in this cute little bag. They did come in a plastic little bag, but I already trashed that. And then inside are the metal straws. I do have metal straws already, but they're silver, so these are cute. I mean, I'm not mad at it. But these are said to be priced. They're from Bombshell Baker and they're said to be $21. I just would never pay that much for 4 straws. If you go to Amazon, there are straws, like packages of like 10 or more straws for like $6. So I recommend getting those over this. And then I try to find the website for Bombshell Baker, and I think I did find it. And on the website, they're listed for $40. Like, who would pay $40 for 4 straws? Yeah. So that's that. Next is this Deborah Lippmann set of nail polishes, and these are listed for $19 here for this set right here. I did look on the website. I didn't find this dual set on their website, so I don't really know if this was like a Boxycharm exclusive, but I did see that individually each nail polish set they sell is usually $20, and so I think maybe they're bigger than this, so I guess $19 is a good deal. However, I did not open these and I did not try these, and I will not try them. I already have other nail polishes that I'm currently like using and testing, so I am going to set this aside for that giveaway that we are building up, so that will go in a giveaway. And the next thing that I did use that I have on right now is this NARS lipstick in the shade Wild Night. Yeah. So it's what I have on my lips. I'm just gonna pop on a little bit more in the center because I ate a yogurt and it kind of took the and it's on my teeth now. This on the NARS website is listed for $26. On this little paper it's listed for $25, but on the website it's listed for $26. This is this one right here. The next thing is these two baby shark doo 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 doo. So these are the little mini sizes on Sol de Janeiro. So these are the I can never say it. Sol de Janeiro. On that website, this Brazilian Bum Bum cream and the Coco Cabana cream, the little ones are listed for $10 individually, and on here they are listed for $15 for the duo. So I guess they're listed for more on the website. I don't know if that affects the way that you look at it, but these are minis, and supposedly we're supposed to get full-size items in the Boxyluxe, so I would have much rather preferred like a big one than 2 mini size. Anywho, I don't like the smell of this one. I've already tried it, so I am going to put this in that giveaway, so that'll be set aside, and this one I will keep. Next thing is this Becca Skin Love Glow Glaze Stick. On the website, it's listed for $28. And Boxycharm listed for $28 as well. I will not open this either because I am also setting that aside for the giveaway. So I did not use that. It has good reviews on it, so I hope whoever wins that future giveaway will like that. So that's that. I just have other highlighters that I've been using, and I don't feel like I need another one, and I'd rather someone else use it, you know. The next thing is this palette, and has a little bit of the shades in the back. I will open it to show you. I will not touch the shades. Okay, I'm trying really hard not to touch the shades. So that's the palette right there. Putting it back in the box because this is going to be set aside for that giveaway. Giveaway. So this is from what I saw on the Tarte website. It's a very good palette. It has really good reviews on it. And it is listed for $49 on this little pamphlet thingy, and on the website it is listed for $49 as well, so that is a really good price. So that will be set aside for the giveaway as well. I did not try that. And the last thing in our box is this PMD Beauty Smart Facial Cleansing Device. I did not use this either, but I am going to keep this one. And this was listed for $99 on their website and is also listed for $99 on here. I'm a little worried about this one just because I have tried, I guess it wasn't like this. It was like an actual brush that spins and it kind of hurt my skin. So I hope this is more gentle. So I will try this and I will keep you guys updated and let you know how it works and if I like it or not. But yeah, those are all the products. What I will do now is insert the clip of me putting this look together, this, and then after that we will come back to get the final price and just do a little quick recap. Okay, I will see you guys in a bit. All right, we are back. So, what did y'all think of that palette? Let's start with the Boxycharm palette since that is one thing that I did try. And what do I think of this palette? I wouldn't pay $39 for this palette. That's what they have it listed for on the pamphlet. No, girl, $39 for this palette? No, no, no. And maybe the other shades are better than the ones that I used in this video. I was trying to come up with a more subtle look because I've been doing more like crazy looks. Not crazy, but extra. They're extra. They're like real dark and stuff. So I wanted to do something different and not blue. I really wanted to play with those blues, but I was like, no, I can't. So maybe those are better, but my opinion, I think ColourPop, Morphe, even that palette that I got from Wet n Wild, I don't know. I feel like those were shades that I used were more pigmented than this. It took a while to build them up. and they weren't like super impressive. I used one of the shades as a highlight, and it was nice as a highlight, but it's just not the greatest that I've ever seen. So I don't think that the $39 price tag is an accurate price. I feel like this palette should be valued at a way less price. Maybe it's because of the pan sizes, but even at that, I don't think the quality is there on the shades that I used. So that's the tea on the palette. The next thing that I used was this, and like I said earlier, I do like that it feels super lightweight, but I wouldn't pay that much for a liquid lipstick. And I feel like I'm kind of like phasing out of liquid lipsticks, liquid matte lipsticks, unless I'm going out or something where I can't be reapplying it. But I kind of been feeling like a lipstick and a lip gloss on top. I don't know if that's like the trend right now, but that's like, I prefer like juicier lips than like just a plain matte lip. So yeah, I don't think this is, I would never pay $26 for this, my opinion. $99 for a device like this, I can see that being true. I don't think I would pay that much for a product unless I knew that it was life-changing. So I will keep y'all updated on this right here. And I do think that the price tag on this, which is the $49, is accurate, and I'm sure this is going to be a wonderful palette for the person who gets it. So I'm super excited for that future giveaway. And then the cocoa cream, so I don't like the smell of it, but I do like that it's so thick and just like buttery and stuff. So I do love it as a body lotion. So I'm excited for whoever gets it, and I hope they like the scent of this. These right here, I don't think I've ever tried Deborah lip mint, so I don't really know what the quality will be or if you'll like it. But I mean, it's nail polish. As long as you top it off with something, I feel like it'll be good for you. And I feel like these shades will be coming in, you know, because of the spring and everything. So hopefully you guys like it. And lastly was this highlight right here. It had good reviews. I have the stick from Fenty Beauty, the gold one that I got, the match stick, and I'm assuming it's going to be similar to that. I don't know exactly, but it'll be in the giveaway, so I hope you guys like it. So the total of this box is $295 is the total of this box. I paid $49.99 plus tax. I think it comes out to like $55 or something along those lines. Was it the greatest box? No. But for $55, I think it's a great deal, and I am super, super excited to be able to put all of these things right here in that future giveaway. There's already another palette in there, the Jaclyn Hill palette. So I don't know how many other things I'm going to add, or if I'm just gonna like do 2 winners for the 400 subscriber giveaway. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. What did you guys think of this box? Did you get the same things in your box? Does this one have this is variation number 13. What did you think? Did you like it? Were you like, I've had better boxes? I do for sure feel like we've had better boxes, and that's it. Let me know what you got in your box. Let me know what you thought of this box. Let me know if you like this by hitting the thumbs up, and subscribe if you like me. Subscribe if you like me. Subscribe if you like me. And there are some videos coming up right here. I'm gonna put them, I think, right here. And if you haven't seen them, go check them out. All right, guys, I will see you in my next one. Bye-bye.